your emphasis on the value of learning the skill of using various forms of artificial intelligence in order to be better of service to your clients versus being left behind has to be the biggest career opportunity that we've ever seen in our lifetime and probably will ever see. Yet, so many people are resisting getting to know AI, learning what these skills are, developing strategies for implementing AI in their business. It's the greatest opportunity we've ever had, people. Get on board. Please do it, right?
And John, you are one of the most authentic, heart-based people that I see on video. It's yet another example of this is not for the people who are trying to churn out 1,000 videos a day, all AI generated or articles. No, it's for those of us who want to make it easier for ourselves to express our humanity to more people, because it saves us so much time and allows us to expand, like, oh, I didn't think of that. Let me now integrate that within myself and express that in my own way. AI is going to be as ubiquitous, built into every technology, just like the internet has become. Any technology isn't enhanced by being connected somehow to the internet. It's like AI is going to be like that. At the start of every technological revolution, there's always people who are understandably scared, resistant. It's going to destroy the world, all that stuff. But I really see this as Internet 2.0. Like, if you could be there at the start of the internet and say, should I learn how to use this thing effectively, or should I wait to see if it destroys the world first? Or hopefully it won't. Well, so here's your answer.